Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to set up Xfinity Xumo Stream Box, connect, configure Wi-Fi, and install apps. To set up your Xfinity Xumo Stream Box, you must first activate your Xfinity Internet service using the Xfinity app, and then connect the streaming box directly to your TV. The entire physical installation and digital activation process takes less than 10 minutes. Step 1. Connect to your TV. Connect one end of the included HDMI cable to your TV and the other end to the largest port on the back of the Xumo box. Then plug the power adapter into a wall outlet and the small end into the far right port on the Xumo box. Avoid outlets controlled by wall dimmers. Then turn on your TV and select the correct HDMI input, example HDMI 1 or HDMI 2, using your TV's original remote control. Then pull the clear plastic tab out of the back of the included XR100 voice remote to power it on. Step 2. Configure Wi-Fi and activate. Select language. Use your remote to choose your preferred language on the welcome screen. Then connect to Wi-Fi. Select your home Wi-Fi network from the on-screen list and enter your password. Alternative, if you use an Xfinity gateway, you can choose Initiate Pairing and press the WPS button on your gateway within 2 minutes to connect automatically without a password. Allow system updates. The box will likely download a software update. Let it restart completely. Now link your account. A QR code and a 6-digit activation code will display on the screen. Scan the QR code with your phone or visit the Xfinity authorized page on a separate device to sign in with your Xfinity ID and link the box. Step 3. Pair remote and manage apps. Follow the on-screen prompts during activation to pair the Zoomer remote with your TV brand so you can control your TV's power and volume. And if you skip this, you can configure it later by going to Settings, then going to Connected Devices and clicking on Remote. To install the apps, the Xumo Streambox does not have a traditional app store where you manually download files. Instead, it comes preloaded with over 250 top applications like Netflix, Disney Plus, Max, and the Xfinity Stream app. New streaming apps are pushed to your device automatically through cloud updates. Finding apps, you can scroll down to the bottom row of your home screen to find your app library. Alternatively, simply press and hold the voice button on your remote and say the name of the app. For example, open Peacock to launch it instantly. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.